May I invite SSB Program Director, Mr. Pei Rui Feng, to give a few words. Mr. Pei, please.
Okay, good afternoon, everybody. So glad to see all of you here. And I know a lot of you actually came from industry, so you've taken an earlier lunch break to be with us today. So thank you for being here. I'll just keep this short. Just want to welcome everybody again to Singapore Stanford Biodesign's special lecture series. So for some of you who might not be familiar with us, Singapore Stanford Biodesign, SSB in short, we are a partnership between A*STAR, EDB, and Stanford University. And our mission is to really train and nurture the next generation of leaders in medical technology innovation for Singapore and Asia. So the SSB Special Lecture Series is one of the events we run under our industry events. And it's really one of the events as a way to give back to the community, that we invite key opinion leaders like Mr. Michael Gropp, who will be speaking to us shortly, to really educate the local community on the latest global trends and perspectives that the industry should be aware of. So today is really our great honor and privilege to have Mr. Michael Gropp, who will be giving us a lecture on international trends in medical technology innovation and regulation. So Mr. Gropp was the Vice President of Global Regulatory Strategy with Medtronic from November 2006 all the way till last year when he finally retired from corporate life in May. Previously, he was the Vice President of Global Regulatory and Public Policy of Abbott Vascular. And previously, before that, was the Chief Compliance Officer and the Vice President of Quality Assurance, Regulatory Affairs and Clinical Research for devices for the Guidance Vascular Intervention Group. And before that, Michael was the Director on Regulatory Affairs for Eli Lilly's Medical Device and Diagnostic Division. Mr. Gropp has also been very highly active in the international regulatory harmonization activities and efforts. So Mr. Gropp was a special representative of the International Affairs and Policy to the Board of Directors of Advanced Medical Technology Association from Washington, D.C. He's the chair of UCOMED, International Affairs Task Force, and is also the member of Global Harmonization Task Force Steering Committee since its inception in 2000 till when GHTF was disbanded in 2012. Mr. Gropp is also an active contributor to the Asian Harmonization Working Party since its founding in 1994, and led several efforts in the regulatory harmonization efforts in the Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation (APEC) Life Science Innovation Forum. Mr. Gropp is also a member of the Scientific Advisory Group to the World Health Organization (WHO) International Clinical Trials Registry Platform Project. So in October 2010, Mr. Gropp received Regulatory Affairs Professional Society, RAPS in short, Richard E. Greco Award in recognition of his work to help harmonize global medical device regulations. In June 2011, he was asked by RAPS Board of Directors to chair the newly formed Global Advisory Council to develop proposals how RAPS can help further develop professional regulatory capacity, especially in less developed countries. Okay, so we know from this bio we are in for a treat. We really have someone with a lot of experience in medical device innovation and regulation. And without further ado, let's put our hands together, give Mr. Gropp a warmer Singapore welcome before his lecture.